flying around the world interviewing innovators, I gave each one a test. What I found was pretty dramatic. 5 things they do really well. First, all of them showed high cultural empathy, and on average, they lived in 3 or 4 countries for at least 6 months. They're global, understand different cultures, and pick up on what others are thinking, feeling, and needing. Not only can they cross national boundaries, they can cross others too, like industries, organizations, fields, social class, and more. Second, they're flexible and seek change and adventure. They naturally adjust when something gets in their way and don't stick to too many routines. 25 were highly flexible, but 4 were only medium. Those 4 were all different. Male and female, science and business, different races, ages, and levels of education, residing in 4 different countries. But we noticed something curious. The only 2 people who had always lived in one country both got mid-level scores. Only 2 out of the 27 multi-country people got medium scores. That's 7% of them. 93% were highly flexible. So, does staying in one nation limit your flexibility? Does living in more than one country help us become highly flexible? This is highly likely. Flexibility is important when you're building something new, and living abroad is a good way to build it. Third, all but one of them scored as highly emotionally stable. Even though we stereotype creative genius as emotionally wild, successful innovation requires acceptance by others, and is often done in teams. These innovators see setbacks in perspective and keep their equilibrium in difficult times. They're straightforward and quick to come up with solutions. They don't get emotionally derailed. Fourth, they're all very open-minded, a necessity when you're going to jump outside your box or straddle 2 boxes, crafting something new across boundaries. They're interested in how others solve problems, quickly gather relevant information, and enjoy exploring. Finally, they all showed high social initiative. The image of the crazy genius tinkering away in their labs alone needs to go out the window. These innovators reach out, talk to people, make friends, and tap into a network of information, people, and opportunities. They get comfortable in a variety of situations, which means they use their energies to reach out and innovate, not struggle alone. How can we build these traits too? They're related and reinforce each other, so it may be best to grow them together. Emotional stability is the most independent, and sometimes developing the others will feel like an emotional roller coaster. Going global, reaching out, opening your mind, and building stable flexibility. Do these sound appealing to you? Will you be a Fusioneer?